What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Agi. So this is the analog timer. I bought it from the Amazon for like 15-16 bucks, and this is the visual timer LT20. Okay, let me just open it. I mean, there's nothing like, okay, simple. It's like analog timer with no battery required, very simple and easy. It have a very big magnet. It have a stand. We can use this stand as you want. It's quite big, as you can see my hand or my huge smartphone. It's really very big. For example, let me put in 1 minute. Okay, you are hearing a tickling sound. Tick 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 tick. Can you hear? Let me take out my microphone and can you hear the tick tick sound? Which can be a little bit annoying. That is the downside when you're trying to study or something like that. Maybe you will get used to it a few days. The good thing is that it's really look very nice. It's look huge. If you don't mind the tickling sound, you can use in a kitchen for refrigerator. I mean, analog is way better than the digital. Personally, I've already done a video comparing analog digital. Watch that video. It's beautiful to learn, study. Overall, it's quite nice. Let's see the alarm will speak or not. Come on, the time is up. Come on. Is that tickling, tickling, tickling? Sadly, the timer do not work at all. When I do like this, it's work. Like, let me just put it like on few seconds. Let me show you. I wanna like use my analog for 10 seconds, right? Start. This is working, you see. This is a tickling, no timer. I need my money back. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm just going to contact the seller and ask it for money back. The timer do not work at all. This look beautiful. If you don't need a timer sound, then this is a must buy. I will buy it again. Maybe I got a defect product, something like that. Okay, it's now stop. It's not. Okay, there's no buzzing or timer sound. If I forget the timer sound, it's amazing. It looks beautiful. I think this is one of the best analog timer out there. But other than that, and because I need it for studying for 20-minute section, I'm trying to improve my English grammar. So yeah, I just bought it to do. I mean, see, I have many books nearby me. I need to spend like 2 hours, like 20 minutes per book. I have 4 books to go, and then there's no tickling sound. I don't know what to say, but the link is in the description box. Plum, I am disappointed. Maybe I got a defect product, or maybe not. There is no timer sound.